Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need admin rights and a properly connected monitor. Once that's checked, right-click the desktop and choose Screen Resolution. You are opening the control that directly changes resolution. This is faster than control panel navigation. Make sure to note the current resolution and display arrangement so you can revert. If you see only one option, open Device Manager to confirm the graphics adapter model before changing settings. Now choose the appropriate resolution from the drop-down. Pick the monitor's native resolution for best clarity. Click Apply and watch the preview. If the screen matches, click Keep Changes, otherwise revert or wait 15 seconds. If the desired resolution is missing, open Advanced Settings, then adapter list all modes to select supported modes. Make sure scaling or multiple displays are set correctly. Use duplicate or extend as needed. And adjust orientation if the image looks rotated. Finish by updating the graphics driver. In Device Manager, right-click the adapter and choose Update Driver or run the manufacturer's installer. Reboot to apply changes and verify cable seating and the monitor's own settings. If problems continue, flicker, black screen, or no modes, boot into safe mode, uninstall the GPU driver, then reinstall the correct driver version. This clears driver conflicts. If you still see no output, try a different cable or monitor to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.